how to fix Microsoft Rewards not working. So if you're not getting any more points here, even though you're completing tasks, here's what you have to do. First, I want you to focus on the extensions. Click on the puzzle piece here if you're using Google Chrome, and then select Manage Extensions. Try disabling any extensions which you may have currently enabled for your browser. Now, if that doesn't work, then you will also need to check if you have a VPN active. If you have any VPNs active, then you will need to disable them because it's going to make Microsoft Rewards not work. And the very last tip which I can give you is to go and click on the three dots in the top right corner, and here just open up a new incognito window. Search for bing.com, then here you will be able to sign into your account and see if your rewards are actually updating. So I hope this video helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.